Okay guys, nanaginip tayo ng shower, naliligo tayo. May kasama tayong kaibigan natin dati na iglesia. Nagsha-shower din siya. Okay? Sige, tingnan natin kung anong meaning ng shower. Shower. Yan. Okay. Ang ibig sabihin daw ng shower, to the dream that you are in a shower foretells that you will derive exquisite pleasure in the study of creation and the proper placing of selfish pleasure. Selfish pleasure. Pero totoo to